Hello to all of my friends, my family, my viewers, my subscribers, and everyone who is currently watching this video. Today we're going to be making this delicious مقلوبة. So if you guys would like to find out how to make this مقلوبة, just keep on watching.
And Bismillah, the first thing I did is washed my chicken with vinegar and salt. So that it's been washed, I'm going to go ahead and add a drizzle of olive oil.
And the spices I have here are 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of peppermint, 1 teaspoon of curry, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of paprika, and a small sprinkle of black pepper. I'm going to add that in. Mix it with my chicken. And we're going to let our marinated chicken sit on the side while we fry all of our vegetables and prep our rice. And I am going to begin by frying my vegetables, and I'm using my deep fryer. And now I'm going to put in my carrots and whatever that's left of my potatoes into the deep fryer. And now our cauliflower. Bismillah. And in this pot I've got some diced onion. That is 1 diced onion. I'm adding 1 cinnamon stick, about 3 pieces of cloves or grünfel, and 2 pieces of cardamom. We're going to brown these together. And we're going to add our chicken into the pot. Give it a mix. And I noticed that my chicken is starting to dry out, so I'm going to add a small amount of water. And I'm going to cover it again. Onto my rice, I'm adding half a teaspoon of sweet clover or khwaja, 1/2 teaspoon of more dried mint, and again 1/2 teaspoon of curry. Mix it with the rice. Again, this is rice that I've already soaked for about a half an hour. I rinsed it until the water came out clean. So I rinsed it a couple of times. Now the rice is ready. And also 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric. And now my chicken is completely cooked, or about 90% cooked. I'm gonna add all the vegetables from earlier that we fried. 1 can of chickpeas hummus. Even them out. Add in our rice. And also our boiling hot water. And now for everyone, how I made my rice was I brought 1 cup of dried rice to rinse, or sorry, so 1 cup of dried rice, and I soaked it, and for the 1 cup of rice you usually use 2 cups of water. So the rice I used is basmati long grain Indian rice. So for that I used 1 cup of rice and 2 cups of water. That's the equation.
And set your stove to medium heat. You don't want to burn this. and let it cook until all the water has dried, and make sure it's covered.
Now to check your maklouba, make sure that all the water has dried, and then it will be done cooking. And now we can flip it. And the flip.
And you guys, it takes muscle work to get this maklouba flipped over. And here my husband has done a wonderful job.
And our maklouba. And we're just gonna smooth it out. And this here is our finished maklouba, and it smells wonderful. I do hope that you guys enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more videos. Thank you for watching.